Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can generate your unlock code for Ford radio CD6000. As you can see, I've already installed the app for Ford CD6000 radio calculator who allow me to generate our unlock code. So open, and how does it work? It's very easy. All you have to do, we must enter serial number or VIN of our car. So I enter my serial number and press generate unlock code and press generate. Now application is working and generate for us our unlock code to our radio. Okay, this application is working with Android also and iOS device in 2023. So you wait to finish this process, and after finish the code will be displayed. And that is, as you can see, this is our unlock code. The next step is enter to our radio and will be unlocked. So how to download this application and can you generate your radio unlock code is very easy. Open this website genmod.pro, and this website download this app Ford CD6000 radio calculator. Thank you for watching. Bye.